Cheers.
Oh, good job. Nick, it has been a bit of a year.
You could say that, yeah. It's certainly been a bit different. But you know what? This time of year, we can always use our traditions to cheer us up during the holidays, no matter how bad the year has been.
That's truly traditions. What tradition is your favourite one?
I think making mince pies with my mum on Christmas Eve.
Oh, mince pies. I love them. How do you make them?
Well, start off, we make a basic pastry, so flour, butter, and a little bit of water, and we get to rub the flour and the butter together.
So
With your
shall I
hands.
do this?
Yes, with cold hands.
Okay, then.
Okay,
now.
so we've got our dough, and then the dough we need to take and pop in the fridge. Okay, so our dough has been resting for about half an hour, and we're now going to
The dough, yes.
flour the surface.
I'll move this one.
Doesn't get sticky, and flour our rolling pin. Okay, I've done it that this thick in a minute.
That's what we don't do.
And then we take the pastry and cut it into squares for the mince pies, and then we fill each square with some filling, which is dried fruit with spices and some cherry brandy.
And then we put them in the oven.
Let me do this.
Ta-da! Ooh!
Have a look.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Oh, wow.
I love
Looks so
pies.
good.
Yeah.
Nick, how many do you make?
Do you know, in a year it could be up to 100, depending on what I'm doing.
100.
Yeah, but they're not all for us. It's you share them with friends and family and people who come to visit. So yeah.
This is really what I love about Christmas.
Mhm.
The tradition that connect people. Right?
Absolutely, yeah.
And our tip-top tradition is to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
And a wonderful start to 2021. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!